So my name is Andy Pike. I work for a company called ALD Automotive. They specialise in vehicle leasing and fleet management. It's a very UK-centric company. My role within that company is I'm the IT infrastructure manager. Currently we have a team composed of a service desk function and an infrastructure function. There is a team in total of about 10. It's equally split between the two. It's because most of the services we provide are built in-house. The platforms that allow our customers, our internal customers to consume it are vital really. ManageEngine, I believe the company I work for, ALD Automotive, have used about 4 years now. I haven't been in the business for 4 years, so I've come from other businesses where they've used products like ServiceNow, Heat, Remedy, but from the time I've spent in the business so far, looking at ManageEngine and looking how it compares to other services, and it's how it can integrate with many other of the ManageEngine products and its flexibility, I can see its value straight away. We use ServiceDesk Plus and Desktop Central at the moment, but we're also looking at the moment at Ops Manager, AD Manager, and also the password modules. One I think we get the most value from is Desktop Central, mainly because we're in a situation where we were slightly behind on our patching, our import management wasn't as good as it could have been. That Desktop Central has really allowed us to really get to a point of knowing our estate, having it in a compliant level pretty quickly actually. But now spending more time with ServiceDesk Plus, I'm also seeing the value in that as well, in its flexibility, its ability to install and use almost immediately is really good. I would say the way it integrates with the other ManageEngine products. I've worked in many different IT businesses where you have disparate systems, and it's the actual and you talk to the vendors and they tell you how easy it is for them to integrate, and generally as a rule it isn't that easy. So I find with the ManageEngine products, because it's coming out of the same organisation and they are feature rich, having them, the way they integrate is a real benefit for me, and it's out of the box. It's literally a few fields you complete and it's there and they're working. Again, I think it's around about the flexibility, the fact of you can do a lot with these. It's intuitive, it's very graphical, using other products that are very command line driven and sometimes more complex. Yeah, I think it's just the ability to almost use straight away. I like, and it's very easy to adopt, especially if you're coming from an environment where you haven't seen it before. It's a good product. Pretty Desktop Central again, the fact of understanding what's in our estate. Because we work for ALD Automotive, works closely with the FCA, so we're financially regulated. So the ability for us to pull information about our estate back very quickly and confirm compliance is really useful. The ability to use ServiceDesk Plus with self-service will be like a real game changer for us. The fact we can then offer it to our customers, we can go for announcements, we can start the integration with AD Manager Plus so they can reset their own passwords. Just to enhance, to enable your end users is pivotal really. If you give them more control, they're not limited by the operational hours of the IT department, they've got all that behind them. So, and I really want ServiceDesk Plus to be, especially the self-service portal dashboard, to become the single place where customers go, our internal customers go to find out what's going on in IT. Login support calls, response is always really timely, it's of good quality, and I'm limited in my knowledge of ServiceDesk Plus, so they're quite good at actually interpreting what I'm asking for. So that's a real benefit in my book. Again, but it comes down to, it's just the fact that it's a well integrated and flexible and intuitive product at the end of the day, and that to me that's great, because being an IT manager, I spend a lot of my time doing lots of other stuff. So when I do want to use a tool, I want to make sure I can actually get a lot of value out of it quite quickly without putting a lot of time into it. I've used solutions such as, ServiceNow, monitoring systems such as Tivoli. These systems can do anything you want them to do, but you'll probably spend 6 to 8 months developing them to do that, and you're then heavily reliant on contractors or specialised engineers. In going forward, I haven't the resources or the time to do that. I just need a solution that I can deploy very quickly. It's been designed, especially with the services flow, that's aligned with an ITIL model that is quite intuitive. You can look at it and you can kind of work yourself through it quite quickly. And if you do have questions, the support team's there to back you up.